Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about bedroom false ceiling designs and ideas, creative false ceiling designs for bedroom. So false ceiling design for bedrooms with fans have become extremely popular. In the last decade, a secondary ceiling is installed below the original roof by a wooden or metal frame. False ceiling is also known as dropped or suspended ceiling because of the cozy lower ceiling. False ceiling designs are usually made with pop or gypsum. These false ceiling designs for bedrooms with fans can be incorporated in several ways and can change boring white tops into the centerpieces of the bedroom. Using a false ceiling design for bedrooms with fans adds drama and character. Apart from its aesthetic appeal, the false ceiling also offers several other benefits like hiding cables and air count units, aiding in acoustics, controlling room temperature, and offering better lighting. So, everyone like these gorgeous false ceiling designs. False ceiling designs for bedroom with a fun that will ultimately wow you. Circular design false ceiling for bedroom. So, false ceiling bedroom design uses circular shape for a defined look. This bedroom design uses wood elements all over the room. It is the reason why the circular arrangements are also made of wood. The fan is added to the center of the design to be the focal point, and lots of lights are placed in this ceiling design for a bright bedroom. False ceiling design for bedroom that draw attention towards the bed create a distinction between different spaces in the bedroom. By using this false ceiling design for the bedroom with a fan, the wood paneled ceiling design highlights the bed in this room. So we love how the wood panel design matches the black wall and its wooden design pieces to create a cohesive look throughout the whole room. Everyone enjoy false ceiling design because false ceilings looks like so beautiful, and this design provide very anyone provide the design makes a quickly bedroom ceiling design with a fan. The false ceiling is a simple square design with a fan in the center. Wooden rafters are attached to the ceiling as a statement piece. The ceiling is kept simple to draw attention to the jazzy and colorful wall near the bed. A detached or inverted cover light can also be used instead of a wood rafter as a statement piece. So we hope you learn a lot of things. You will learn a lot of things from this video. So we hope also you enjoy this video. So if you like this video, so please share this video, smash the like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching.